Hey there YouTube. Is your reverse osmosis faucet not staying on when you push the lever up? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that with just vinegar and a little time. You'll save about $40 on a new faucet, and it doesn't take that long. So what I did was I took the faucet off and then soaked it in vinegar overnight. And now it cleaned up the insides in there, and now it stays on. I wish I would have did that before I ordered a new faucet. I used this LA's Totally Awesome cleaning vinegar. I don't think it matters, but that's what I used. Let's just say it's still mounted to the sink and you don't want to take it off. Well, in that case, just take a Ziploc bag, cut the corner off, put it over the faucet, and then just take a rubber band, like so, and fill it up with vinegar. Well, maybe make the rubber band a little tighter, but you get the idea. Or you could simply just pour vinegar on there for a few days. I'd have to take apart anything really. If I would have just hit it with the vinegar, it would have worked. But anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.